Hoy, Jerome, nasaan ka na? Ako nga, nadapa, hindi umiyak. Goodbye apartment, yun lang, Kuya Denise. Maluwa kasi. Okay na, bebe girl mo, nakibasi ka ba eh. Hi, Bebe JB!
Was that a dream?
That's how we got caught up. Ay, shawty bad, shawty mean. Can't make this up like Maybelline. Ain't worried about nothing, just you and me. Addicted, feel like I'm a fiend. When I feel you, the feelings deep. Sometimes I feel like I'm lost at sea. In my head, you're the girl of my dreams. In my mind, you live rent free. Shawty, you got it, that power. You're perfect, and I don't care what anybody gotta say. You're worth it.
Open your eyes this time. The light is shining on you. Was that a
There's only one rule for passwords. My rule.
Tried it all, every flavor, every color. I had a ball, but never knew just what I wanted. Forever, hard to settle down when the fun is all around you. We were strangers. Hard to settle down, but there's just something about you in your nature. And I want it, want it, want it in my life. And I want it, want it. And I want it, want it, want it every night. And I want it, want it. I know exactly what I want now. Exactly what I want now. I know exactly what I want now. Exactly what I want now. I want it, you got it. I want it, you got it. I want it, you got it. I want it, I want it, I want it, you got it. I want it, you got it. I want it, you got it.
Yung lahi kasi nila, parang tumatakbo yung mga lahi nila. Governor, gano'n. Baka hininga mo na amoy. Wow! Ilan pa napasid mo dun? Meron si class. Ay, oo, meron na akong classmate na model. Tapos yung lola niya si yung Pilapil. Sakit ng tiyan ko. By the way, na kape? First day ng ating bread tie. Sakit ng tiyan ko. Anong tawag ng kalikasan? Tutukin kita dyan. Red tie nga eh. Ang galit ka.
If you're coming with me, you better not get in the way when I see you.
Ayusin mo yung baba natin, Si Jerome pala magbababa eh. Madami ako alam kay Joy. Gusto niyo malaman 50 bar tanong. 50 per tanong. Ano sa tingin mo ko, Revoltan? Wala? At ba't i-share sa'yo? Baliw ka eh. Pag nagkakwento ako, dinadagdagan mo eh. Hi, bebe, honey. Hello, be. Baliw to si... Ay, putik ang dami. Akla.
Boom, boom.
Pag nagkakwento ako kay Revolta, nadadagdagan eh.
There's a helmet here.
Level 2.
And a jetpack.
Aha.
Some light ammo, please. Enemy is down.
Oh, that little paper thin.
Guys,
Yes, queen. Wala ka pa palang baril ah.
At least you get to bleed out under an
Pinapadami ko comment.
My mind
Mabait
is
mas ako galing
bursting
siya.
with
Alam
new
ko din
ideas.
nakasulat sa alam ko din nakasulat sa notebook.
Don't worry, folks.
Buisit.
Super close to the safe zone.
Ibang kasi na nagagalit pag konti daw ang comment. Wow! Hindi nga po 1K comment po nga ako, Revoltan. Daming time ni Revoltan na hindi na i-spam ah. Lagi nga na-spam sa share yun, di naman nag-share. Shoutout po shoutout from Tatay Nestor Aledo. Happy birthday po sa iyong tatay. Hello po, babe. Yes!
will take a while.
Turay naman, babe. Paano ka magkakapamasay? May link ka
A new
uminom.
Reaper has arrived.
Inom pa mo.
I'm down. Save me. One of theirs is the Reaper.
Shit, dalawa ka
He must
laban.
not die before I arrive.
Eh, scary. Scary patuti. Shoutout sa pusa ko, tulog na po siya.
I'm
Shoutout kay Ming Ming.
cocky. I'll find you again. Save
Putik,
me.
patay kayo agad! Buisit kayo. Ay, shit! Putik.
My cats will never
Bye.
even know I'm gone.
Open your eyes this time. The light is shining on you. Open your eyes this time. The light is shining on you.
Wait, what? Was that a dream?
Gonna be your eyes. 'Cause you've been on my mind. I won't waste no time. I want you by my side. Yeah, 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 yeah. You on my mind like every day and every second of it. You came around and caught my vibe and told me that you love it. You told me you don't know how to feel, but you feeling something. And that's how we got caught up. Hey, shorty bad, shorty mean. Can't make this up like Maybelline. Ain't worried about nothing, just you and me. Addicted, feeling like I'm a fiend. When I feel you, the feelings deep. Sometimes I feel like I'm lost at sea. In my head, you're the girl of my dreams. In my mind, you live rent free. Shorty, you got it, that power. You're perfect, and I don't care what anybody gotta say. You're worth it.
Saglit. Tignan nyo, 12 hours times 60 minutes. So, 12 times 60, 720 hours. 720 hours divided by... Ay! Putik, 12 hours lang pala. Shit. 720 minutes pala. 720 minutes divide 1,057 na lalaki equals 0.6. So, 30 minutes bawat lalaki. Or pwedeng sabay-sabay. Kasi, paano... Oh my goodness, what is happening to the earth? 30 minutes bawat lalaki. My goodness. Siguro ano na yan, milyonaryo na siya noon in 12 hours. Mapusay sa araw patay na si... Paano na siya namatay? Yun ba yung nawala? Nung nahanap nyo, patay na? Hello! Kay Bebe, Apple. Nandito pala si Bebe Apple. Sorry girl, nagmat kasi ako. Naintriga ako dun sa OnlyFans na babae. 12 hours, 1,057 na lalaki. Oh my gosh. Addict yun, babe. Nag-drugs kaya yun. Baka nagmariwana yun. Ilawan, aring nga kaya ko. Iba-iba, 1,057. Ay, shesh, may kalaban agad.
Stay alert. Now the real test begins.
Ala, may kalaban agad.
There's no escaping justice, and I'll never let you.
Bye, Master Babe. Tinan mo ako dito ko sa likod mo.
Cherry, let's scope down here.
Hindi kasi nahabol ni Jandro lumabas. Afternoon, Bebe girl.
Enemy down.
Takbo-takbo muna tayo. Doon tayo sa kabilang dako ng mundo. Ay, this one.
There's no
Meron
escaping
kaya to?
justice, and I'm never late to dish it out.
Ay, ako, hindi ako.
Looks like we're
Masahit.
Hunt them down.
Hindi ko ina-add sa GC kapag walang pamasahe. Yung sa akin pahihingin, tapos iuutang pa sa supporter din.
Enemy down.
Diba utangan si Road Mahal?
Let's scope that area. Enemy kill. Target on that thrower. Hunt them down.
Oh, wait.
Sent you all on your way. Every single last one of you. Restoring shield.
Found an expanded jetpack. Level 3, yes! Tore right through their shield.
Cherry,
Ah, guys.
scope that area.
Refilling ammo. On my way. Enemy defeated. I'll protect the
Ay,
smiles of
napindot ko, nag-upgrade lang ako eh.
enemy squad defeated. Not bad. Level 2.
Saan na sila?
Found an SMG muzzle brake. Level 2.
My shield held up against me.
Sure, Mami. Tapi, punta na kayo sa akin.
No one's left alive.
I-admin
Aw.
kita, Mami. Jerome, hoy Jerome, tara din eh. Mama, shit pa ikaw. Wala na mamatitira.
You're not outside the safe zone.
The pressure is on.
Cherry, let's scope that area. Reloading. Target on that thrower. Hunt them down.
Kanina may kalaban. Eh, may kalaban tayo. Ano?
It's not looking
Engineer.
good.
Janelle, attack!
Let's keep up the chase.
Guys,
Enemy
Right
kill.
through their shield. Shield is ready to go.
one hit na lang.
Helmet spot.
Yes.
Level check. Over here.
Enemy squad
Upgrade
defeated.
successful. Tactical module iteration complete.
There's a muzzle break over here. Level 2.
Enter din siya.
Hold up against me. Reloading.
There's
Wala
no
din ako
escaping
masahe
justice,
pa utang.
and I'm
Ay
never
nako.
late to dish it out.
Ikaw na din magbayad. Pag hindi natuloy, yung iba ako ubos ng pagkain. Oh, ikaw na rin magbayad.
There's an angled weapon over here. Level 2.
Ilapag,
There's extended rifle
ilatag ko
magazine
sa'yo
over
yung
here.
bill.
Level 2.
Di ba, Mami? Hindi, baliw si Revoltan. Siya daw uubos eh. Raymond, is that you? Kasabi na. Baka magbugbugan kay ni Arturo, lalo na kapag crispy pata na yung inipat mo. Yari ka kay Arturo. May tagabantay ng crispy pata. Lagulay talaga yung kay Arturo para di ma-high blood. Crispy pata. Tahimik lang daw siya sa personal, mahihain. Oh.
Over here.
Tony Fowler yan. Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa. Ako taga-bigay ng pagkain doon, wala ako kuha. Wow, ano yung buffet? Ayoko nga, ano pwede kaya yan? Naka-buffet. Makila, tapos may taga-abot. Ang kalit nun, Besi, pag nagka-style tayo. May taga-sandok.
Set you all on your way.
Shy boy
Every
daw
single
sa
last one of
personal.
you.
Naya ka pa sa lagay na yun. Kapal nga naman, nangihingi nga ng pamasahe eh. Shy pa yan.
Enemy defeated!
Para walang mag-away.
Reloading!
Masaway. Boss Arturo, pinakamarami pagkain, paborito ko siya. Damihan mo yung gulay.
Let's scope that area.
Damihan mo yung gulay ni Arturo.
Get ready for some action.
Pinakamaraming gulay.
Reloading! Red pin! No, what's that? Lightning storm right in the
Mamamatay na, bot lang naman eh.
enemy squad defeated! That's a wrap.
Okay, tahimik lang sa umpisa.
Restoring shields.
Kahit di mo ko pilitin.
Using medkit.
Tapos may vitamins na kasama.
Let's scope that area.
Oy, Arturo, mami, kayo yung nasunod dito.
Restoring shields.
Huwag kayong mawawala, wag kayong mawawala. Puro gulay nga sa'yo, Arturo eh. Kanin na may gulay. Samahan ko na nga kayo dyan. Tayin ko kayo.
Enemy down!
Nood-nood lang eh. Wala ka nga pamasahe. Nagde-decide ka na kung sasali ka sa laro.
There's no escaping justice, and I'll never lay the dish.
Baka di daw siya sumali sa games. Mahihain daw siya. Wala ka pa nga pamasahe. Nagde-decide ka.
There's a tactical stock over here. Level 2.
Fourth game na to, mami. Ang bilis, di ba?
I got ammo. Enemy.
Fourth game.
Reloading. Enemy defeated!
Oo, si Jando na naman guys, may pamasahe, wala siyang kasabay. Tagasan ka ulit, Janjanel? Guys, natagal ako na dyan.
Using medkit.
Kaya nga, bebe honey, kaya gulay ibibigay ko sa kanya kasi di siya kumakain ng gulay. Doon ka sa labas ng pinto, bantayan mo. Baka may pumasok.
Sentinel, stay alert.
Pwede nasa labas siya.
Sheriff, let's scope that area.
Oy, Arturo, susubuan ka daw ni Justin, no? Pag ikaw na daw, yes! Ang Laguna.
Knock it down. Sayonara. It's all over, baby.
Sino kaya pwede kasabay ni John Jonar, guys? Na taga Laguna dyan. Maliban kay John Paul. 50-50 si John Paul eh. Wala pa daw pamasahe. Guys, sa akin mag-date, wala pang February. Engineer na matanda. Kala ko pag engineer, si Rodmar kagad eh, no? Guys, sabihin mo, pass. Eh, hindi, senda lang ng grab food. Senda lang ng grab food. Tapos, shoutout mo na lang. Shoutout sa nagpadala nito. Thank you very much. Happy Valentine's.
Target down.
Kain ako ng gulay, basta kakain si Jay ng wow! Ano kakainin mo, gulay? Yun lang kakainin ko. Kung pag-aampalayain mo, mag-ampalaya ka din. Ate Apple, ibabalik ko crispy pata ni Arturo pa. Wow! Ako, bibigyan ko si Arturo ng pamalo.
Restoring shield. Defense.
Bibigyan ko si Arturo ng pamalo. Susuportahan ko si Arturo sa desisyon niya sa pamalo.
On my
Kung
way.
ipapalo niya ba sa'yo,
Coming up.
hindi.
I'll protect the smile the enemy is down.
Support ko siya.
Another one down. Just as I planned. That's on fire. 3. Now they're
Kahit nasa na yun, no, wala.
How my sheriff puts in work.
Ah, dito sa baba.
Stay alert.
Another one bites the dust.
A new Reaper has arrived.
Kaya sinusunto ko.
Someone's left alive. Reload.
You're not bad, huh? Looks like you've been hitting the practice ring.
Enemy down.
Yeah, suntukin ka ng ano ko. Toy ko.
Level 3.
Sinuntok ng toys.
Good stuff. Everyone's in the same
Paano
zone.
send grab lang? Halos kapit-bahay lang naman namin. Paano send grab na lang? Oo nga, yung kapit-bahay, Nugi ah.
Throwing shield.
Ang hirap kumano ah. Bilan kita, Bessie, ang palaya chips. Huwag na, trabaho ko nga, mang bardagul. Sabay tayo kumain ng palaya. O sige, pag pinakain mo ko ang palaya, bawal ka na mag-crispy pata ha. Ah, didil ka pa dyan ha. Pag pinakain mo ko ang palaya, bawal ka mag-crispy pata. Panindigan mo yan. Ako, di ako mahilig ng crispy pata. Okay lang, di ako kakain ng crispy pata. Sino ba to? Ay, kakampi ba yan? Ay, kakampi pala. Akala ko kalaban yung Akala ko kalaban mo. Akala ko kalaban mo eh. May kalaban pang isa bago kayo mabuhay. Ayan o. Bob! Buti kang dami akla. Eh! Nawala! Dalawa akla.
Road is finished.
I'm down.
Sinip-sip? O, Jera, wag ka muna lalapit.
Left alive.
Kasi babalot niya yung crispy ba? Oo nga naman, di ba talino? Hani kilala ko yung manliligaw mo. Sino?
Reloading.
Mami, matalino. Ilalak ko yun. Ay, hindi, alam ko na yung crispy pasta. Gagawin ko siyang buffet. Kailangan niya lumapit, tsaka ako bibigyan. Pag lumapit kayo, ako magbibigay ng ng crispy pata. Hindi ko siya ilalagay sa kala mo ha? Para walang... Oo. Sa akin, itatabi ko siya sa akin, lalapitan niyo ako. Tapos siya ako ilalagay ng crispy pata. Oo. Ferdinand Marcos. Para lang,
Restoring shield.
walang makakauwi nun. Hindi makakapunta si Jawo. Naaya ko nga yun, sabi ko punta siya. Wow, pakita mo pala. Ano kaya mo ko dito? Sikap ko na po si Beb. Yes!